Welcome to my Bitcompare crypto price tracking app review. Check the description for product links. Let's see its features, who it's for, and if it fits your crypto tracking needs. Bitcompare's a newcomer, but packs powerful tools. Get real-time price updates for thousands of cryptocurrencies across hundreds of exchanges. Track price movements, compare exchange rates, and find the best prices for trading or investing. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, Bitcompare delivers detailed metrics, market cap, 24-hour volume, price changes, and more, all in a streamlined interface. Its standout feature? The price comparison tool. Find the best crypto rates across various exchanges, maximizing your trade value by exploiting price differences. Bitcompare also offers portfolio tracking. Monitor your holdings and see real-time value changes. While not as deep as some dedicated portfolio apps, it provides a quick asset snapshot. Bitcompare suits both casual users and active traders needing fast, accurate price data. It's especially helpful for comparing exchange prices for smarter trades. The clean interface makes it beginner-friendly, while the comparison tool benefits experienced traders. In short, Bitcompare is a great no-frills crypto price tracking and comparison app. Stay informed on market trends and make informed trading decisions without complexity. Hope this review helps you understand what Bitcompare offers.